What's up, guys? Alright, so this week is the week before my wedding. Things are crazy, so what are we doing? We are trying to make all of the decorations. And we ran across a little snag. Our centerpieces looked a little bare, so came up with the idea of I would make table numbers for each of our centerpieces. We only have 4 really big tables plus the bridal table, so I only really need to make a few of them. But maybe come up with the idea of making centerpiece table numbers for like events and weddings and things like that. And well, that adds value to people, like who love, this kind of stuff. And in their wedding, when it's homemade or it's made for them. So here's a video on how to make table numbers, or like little, I guess you do other things other than table numbers, like names or all sorts of stuff. Anyway, here we go. Let's see how it turns out and have some fun. As always, stay safe and go do it. Back, so that was fun and adventurous. As you can see, they turned out pretty well. They're very simple, really. I mean, it's very similar to making a coaster, I guess. But you can drill 2 holes in the back and then put in some legs so that they sit like that. And then we paint it on. You could stain these, but we chose to do acrylic clear coat because we were worried that the stain might rub and smear the paint. Britt insisted on painting on in her paints. We got obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. I did make another one, a 5th one, but obviously we didn't have any purpose for it. And then I decided that I'd make a little special one. See, this one didn't turn out the same. It has, you can see these holes, the dots. They're actually the legs. I actually drilled all the way through. It's pretty thin, as you can see. So I decided that I would, with my soldering iron, put the words bridal table on it. So that's going on our bridal table. front, just a little cute little decoration, I guess. That'd be pretty cool. These are actually very easy and cost effective to make. Like, these are just dowels. You know, they're really cheap. You can buy like a pack of like, I don't know, 1 or 200 for like less than $5. And then, you know, like obviously the wood. Look at that from our backyard. Like last year, got to take down some trees and branches that were really overhanging and dangerously overhanging trampolines. So just chop them down, and one of them was literally the branch that I cut these from. You just have to let it dry a little bit before you go to town on it. We'll chop them up, and then, you know, obviously we sanded flat, as you saw, and then, you know, painted. And yeah. Simple, easy, quick. This literally took us like an afternoon to make. It is not a very time consuming or costly thing to do. It's really easy, really simple, and fun, and it looks fantastic. Perfect for any event or wedding. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, let me know what you think. See ya.